How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix the automatic brightness increase for Instagram in your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. If the Instagram brightness automatically increases in your Android device, that because of the brightness or the display settings in your Android device. Now to check that, what you have to do is open up settings in your device and under that tap on display. Here under brightness, there you have a toggle that says adaptive brightness. Tap on it. Here if you have turned on this toggle that says adaptive brightness, your screen brightness will automatically adjust to your environment and activities. You can move the slider manually to help adaptive brightness learn your preferences. So, in order to fix the automatic brightness increase in Instagram on your Android device, you have to turn off this toggle. Once you have turned it off, the system will stop from adjusting brightness based on the app that you're using. So, this will help you to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on your Android device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.